Where the Welcher right now? Well, I am in downtown San Antonio, Texas, at the Odditorium by Ripley's. Believe it or not. Let's check it out.
Metal Spider-Man. Hell yeah.
Hey, Mr. T, go ahead and pull that doorknob right there. Turn that there. You are. Oh, that's scary. So nails. This right here is a genuine section of the Berlin Wall.
Yesterday's grim barrier had become today's gateway to the West. 1 hours after the bulldozers left little old Schweizer, people arrived.
Prototype spacesuit. This right here is a genuine human skin mask. "9 feet tall. This entire carving right here is made from camel bone. This car right here is the actual one that drove Lee Harvey Oswald to the site in Dallas where he assassinated JFK. Wait a second, who is that? Wait, who was that?
Me?
See it in his eyes. His light is so bright. This portrait of Elvis the King is made from butterfly wings. Snake wine. A genuine shrunken head. This tortilla right here has Carlos Santana painted on it. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe. And what do you say we exit this place together? Stay tuned.